Hey, welcome back to Varcade Games. Today, the crew from Varcade Games go to Walmart in the toy section and they check out some action figures, some Legos, and they even check out some Funko Pop and some other pop culture characters. So, check out this latest video, a little trip to Walmart. Thank you for watching.
Walmart. My least favorite place.
Do
Unbelievable.
we? Well, go grab the other one.
Unbelievable. There's an AEW figure at a Walmart. Ortiz.
And the worst part is, it's in the
Here's-
WWE section.
There's Kenny Omega, Cody, Sammy, Matt, Santana, and Ortiz. And oh yeah, there's Edge, Drew, Roman, Tucker.
Roman sucks.
Okay, who's here?
Why is
Edge.
Tucker? Why is Tucker still there? He's fired.
Edge.
There you go.
I like
Edge. Okay.
The Edge looks like him.
The Edge is pretty good.
Yeah,
Let me see
so
the
does
Edge.
Shield.
So does the Drew.
Drew looks good. Edge looks great.
Oh, Son of
The
Moon,
Roman
never
looks
mind.
okay.
I was gonna say the Son of Moon.
Okay, do we have any Transformers?
Yes, right here. Barely.
Barely. Yeah, look at
But
this
they
action
Thing
figure
is,
out.
they
It's
don't
so
have
terrible.
they don't have Optimus.
They don't have nobody. They have RC.
They have Cheetor.
They have. This was one of my favorites. Warpath. Loved him.
Tank. And,
Yeah.
there's nothing
Tang.
else.
There's no Beast Wars. No, they have Cheetor.
Yeah,
but
I said
we,
they had Cheetor.
Yeah, we already have him. Which one we have though? This one or that one?
That one.
Okay.
That one's too.
And what else? What is this Power Ranger stuff? Blue Ranger versus Shockhorn. Battle
Oh,
Attackers.
that's weird.
Dino Fury, yeah. All right, well, I can't pass this up. AEW, what are you getting?
The skateboard.
Skateboard, where's your
Billy
sister?
And Billy's getting a skateboard too.
And that's a look at the action figure aisle here.
Yeah, can you buy Edge?
At, no, I
me?
don't want Edge.
And, okay.
No,
Dang
I
it.
want AEW.
Well, it's Edge. I can add
You
it to my
never
collection
see
if you
AEW.
buy
Yeah,
it.
never. They got the AEW belt
Fine.
and they got the ring, but yeah, you never see AEW here.
Really? I seen AEW at our mall too.
No, you.
Yes, I
At
have.
our mall?
Yes, not the mall at Walmart.
What's that?
That's the weirdest.
That's a new He-Man.
Yep, weird.
That's the Netflix one.
Netflix.
The Netflix?
There's no Netflix.
Flick.
You sound like a boomer.
I guess it's not out yet.
Did you just call me a boomer?
Okay, boomer. Okay, boomer.
You literally said Netflix.
Oh wow.
It means you sound like a
Ghost Popper, Space Jam stuff.
Ghost Popper.
Cobra Fang.
What's this?
Oh, isn't that the thing that like they catch the? Oh no.
I don't know what that is. That's new.
It's from the new Ghostbusters.
Okay. Well, let's check out the Legos and then we're gonna get out of here.
I'm gonna get you by the Edge.
Okay, what do we got here in Lego? Anything good? Got that skate park is nice. I like that. Really like this camper as well. Lego Friends, Minecraft, Harry Potter. I like this Harry Potter. Actually,
Oh wow.
yeah,
didn't
that's
see-
that's different.
Wait,
I've never
what's
seen
your
that. It was 24. Now it's still 20. It's 4. It's still 24.
That doesn't mean nothing. I haven't seen any of. I didn't see that at all.
There's Super Mario.
Oh mom.
That's awesome.
I know. Look at it though.
I don't know if I'm a fan.
I know. But look.
Vintage Batman.
Vintage. Oh yeah.
That's from like the show.
Yeah.
See?
I'm just saying this. Look at this though. It's literally with his armor stands.
Is that the newer
Which
stuff?
Which Joker do you like better, the newer one or the older one?
Old.
That's a good question.
is there?
I like the newer Batman's better, but I like the older Joker.
Oh yeah. Here's the whole set.
Yeah,
okay?
older Joker.
Yeah, here's the whole set. Is what they all
Oh.
come with.
How much is that? Arm and leg.
$29.
Okay. And oh, there's that Mega Constructs Masters of the Universe stuff. It's like Lego, but it's not really Lego. All right,
Okay,
that's a look at the Lego aisle.
We have to go get the
Bread.
Yep.
All right, deer pong. Isn't that what you have?
Yep.
All right. Operation Pet Scan. What's this? A new twist. Remove the objects. New twist. Same one.
Puzzles?
Monopoly Junior. Pictionary. Jumanji.
That does not look like
In a real wooden box.
Hey.
Super Mario. Family Feud Platinum Edition. Netflix.
Okay.
Trending now. Let's see. Jurassic World. Haunted Mansion.
Blah, 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 blah.
Uno Stacko. Good old fashioned chess. All right. That's a look at the Lego and game aisle.
And then you got the FNAC, and then you got the.
Okay,
All
ready?
right, what's this else? A collectible aisle.
Nothing.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look, Dragon Ball Z.
No, you got that Ninja Turtle thing. That's pretty cool.
Cuckoo.
Wow, they got sensor tags on, or like alarm tags on everything. The alien figures. Are people actually stealing this stuff?
Dang it, I wanted to see what it looked like.
No, not now. A lot of pop figures.
This Batman's cool.
Goonies. What Batman?
This Batman right here. Multiverse Batman.
I do like it. Yeah, that is pretty cool.
Pretty cool bat.
Dragon Ball Z. Don't you like that, Logan?
No.
Oh, there's a Pennywise.
What do I like?
Toonie Terror Pennywise. Only
Yes.
$15.96.
Teenage Mutant
King Kong.
Ninja Turtles. Dad?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I seen that. Look, wait,
not
wait. There's a
good.
Roman Reigns.
No, that's not Lemon.
Yeah, it is. Wreck everyone and
Look, it's
leave.
one of the, that look,
That
it's
does not
one of
look
the
like
original
him.
Batmans.
Oh, yeah. it is.
Bendy figs.
And there's
That's
also a
different.
Stone
also-
Cold. There's also a
It-
Stone Cold down there.
Charlie and the Chocolate. Oh yeah, Willy
Willy.
Wonka.
Willy. It's Willy the
A
Wonka.
bloody Pennywise.
Okay.
Any good pop figures?
Hopefully not.
Seinfeld.
Where's Seinfeld? Oh, there's Jerry. Okay.
Okay, so this
There's some big ones. The big
one? No, that's not.
Mickey from Fantasia.
Yeah.
We got a
This one's cool.
Only
robot
at,
Venom.
only at Walmart.
Yeah, and a Venomized wrestler.
Oh, I like
don't know
this
who that
guy
is.
too. From Stripes.
We got Deadpool.
And that's a look at the collectible aisle. Oh wow.
Ah, it's a Deadpool as a Roman Empire.
Final records too. What else we got?
Oh look, it's the thing that I want.
The Oculus.
Yeah,
Yeah. Maybe.
like look, it's realistic.
There's the giant arcade. What else? Marvel Zombies. A lot of Space Jam.
Oh my gosh.
An intense amount of Space Jam. More Seinfeld pop figures.
Oh, yeah, I'm surprised that one's still.
More Space Jam.
Wait, is it here?
Yep, it's here.
Oh, it's got yes. Heck yeah.
Quick
No.
look at the posters
Quick look,
at
actually.
Walmart.
Try the thing.
Get set, go. Wait.
Easy there, easy there. What do you got?
Ellen.
Tupac.
Wait, what's that?
Pokemon, Mandalorian,
Avengers? Wait, what?
Oh, these.
Avengers,
Oh, it's the-
Neck Strike.
Yeah, it's with like robots. Oh, Call of Duty.
More Space Jam. Unfortunately, there's no Pepe Le Pew on this poster.
Wait, where's Pepe Le Pew?
He's not. He's been canceled.
Hey, did you like that video? Consider subscribing. Leave a comment or a like. And thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.